Plan catalogue should be number 4. Activate. That's it. So when we do our missed approach, we get out of that one and we get into number 5. Mixtures.
Victor, occurrence is track 2 Moorabbin via Monty, planned route 3000.
Track 2 Moorabbin via Monty, planned route 3000. Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, score code 3761, passing 2,500 feet, contact approach 132.0.
Squawk 3761 and passing 2,500, contact approach on 132.0. Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, traffic helicopter 3 miles south, joining a right downwind for a landing at Golf 1. Clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Bravo Sierra Victor, traffic sighted.
Bravo Tower, Warrior Tango Golf uniform, ready runway 17 right for an upward climb.
Speeds alive. Temperature
uniform,
line up.
Line up, Tango Golf uniform.
Contact 338, Cessna becoming airborne off runway right. We'll be making a right turn departing to the north.
338, copy the traffic.
Victor Delta Romeo, follow a swing, late downwind.
Victor Delta Romeo.
Victor Delta Romeo, you got that swing sighted? They're just in the base turn.
There's the chopper.
Yep.
Traffic sighted, Victor Delta Romeo.
Okay. Alpha uniform, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Tango Golf uniform.
500 feet, channel turn. Melbourne approach, Bravo Sierra Victor, passing 2,700 on climb 3,000.
Bravo Sierra Victor, approach, expect vectors for the Essendon ILS, advise when you've copied the information, Charlie.
Negative, I'll get information, Charlie now, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Essendon, terminal information, Charlie. Runway 26 for arrivals. Runway 17 for departures. Wind 170 degrees, 10 knots. All crosswind, runway 26. Visibility 10 kilometres. Haze. Temperature 20. QNH 1016. On first contact with Essendon, ground, tower or Melbourne approach, notify receipt of Charlie.
Bravo Sierra Victor has received information, Charlie.
Bravo Sierra Victor. Bravo Sierra Victor, turn right heading 030.
Turn right 030, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, turn left heading 360 base leg.
Was it 360?
360.
Turn left 360, Bravo Sierra Victor. That's on base.
Yep.
When we're cleared for the approach, I'm going to procedure, activate and then approach here. This is the kind of call they're going to give us. Position, turn left 280 to intercept, cleared for the 26 approach.
Oh.
And we don't read back report established, always do.
You don't have to read it back? Is this
They remember that Ursa.
Oh.
So, expect, report, stand by, and advice.
Bravo Sierra Victor, position a mile and a half left of the lake Eliza, turn left heading 2904, pilot intercept, cleared ILS runway 26 approach, report established.
Turn left, 290 for pilot intercept, cleared the runway 26 ILS approach, Bravo Sierra Victor. approach is armed. And here we go. So, when we're a dot high, I'm going to, that's when we're supposed to slow down. The only thing about this is, because we don't go full flaps, well, we don't go to 10 degrees flaps all at once, we do it gently. I'm going to do the slow down gently as well.
Bravo Sierra Victor, turn left heading 230 for the intercept.
Left 230, Bravo Sierra Victor. Bravo Sierra Victor is established on the approach.
Bravo Sierra Victor, contact Essendon 125.1.
Contact Essendon on 125.1, Bravo Sierra Victor. And now we're going to get our overshoot instructions. I'm going to slow down. Essendon Tower, Bravo Sierra Victor established on the approach.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Essendon Tower, good day. At your minima, turn left heading 150 visual, climb to 3000.
At the minima, left 150 visual and climb to 3000, Bravo Sierra Victor. And we've started a descent.
Yeah, it's the autopilot doing that.
Yep.
Ever autopilot.
Lovely. So we need to check where we are. We've got 4.2 miles to go to San M. At San M, we should be at 1540. There we go, pitching down, and there's the runway.
Oh, yeah.
8 miles, 2790. 7 miles should be 2470. I'll be at 3 miles, 2470. Yeah, the glide slope is below us. It's going to adjust for us. And there's the Pappy.
Oh.
Haven't seen a Pappy for a while.
I haven't.
Alan's advice on this was 1700 revs and it'll sort itself out.
Okay.
Come airborne from the Royal Melbourne on a northerly heading and Wilco, Haps 4.
Bravo Sierra Victor, amendment to your missed approach, don't commence the left turn till the runway intersection.
Don't commence the left turn until the runway intersection, correct? Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, confirmed.
At 540 I'm going to go off autopilot. Straight and level until we get to the runway intersection and then turn left heading 150. Climb out.
Haps 4 airborne, Royal Melbourne.
M4, thanks. To track Mooney Valley Racecourse, then a left circuit, change your runway 17.
And just copy the other radio there, just confirm that was Mooney Valley Racecourse, that's for 17, Haps 4.
M4 confirmed, Mooney Valley, then a left circuit 17.
Mooney Valley for a left circuit, 17, Haps 4.
We're right on glide slope, look at that Pappy.
Wonderful.
780. 200 feet to go. Imagine we're popping out of cloud now. 640, 100 feet to go. .580, that'll do me.
Autopilot.
Essendon Tower, good afternoon. Lima Alpha Whiskey.
Minimum.
Lima Alpha Whiskey, Essendon ground afternoon, cleared to Sydney, via Melbourne Dosal planned route. Visual departure, climb to 3000.
Lima Alpha Whiskey is cleared to Sydney, Melbourne Dosal. Visual departure, flight plan route, climb 3000.
I want to come around to 150. and we want to get rid of that approach, which we'll do on the way out. Okay, so we're at the runway intersection now.
MS4, contact you to parking runway 17, cleared to land.
Runway 17, clear to land, Hemisphere 4.
Okay, that's about 150, we're climbing. Heading.
Apollo 35, Alpha King Air 350 with
Heading.
3 POB received. Charlie 4, that's no taxi.
Apollo 35, ground taxi, Honey Flight Tango, runway 17.